The overall goal of this method is to use isotope tracing to measure the metabolism of sorted populations of complex cell communities.
So with this method, we can study the metabolic differences between subpopulations of complex cell communities, and also the metabolic collaboration between those subpopulations. The main advantage with this technique is that by combining isotope tracing with cell sorting, we can get a more reliable measure of metabolism, and also we can validate how reliable the method is.
Visual demonstration of this method is critical as it combines different techniques, and the way cells are handled and the length of the procedure might affect cell metabolism.
For metabolite extraction from a dish, first culture cells in a 6-well plate in stable, isotope-labeled culture medium containing dialyzed supplements. When the cells reach 75% confluency, rinse the wells 2 times with 500 microliters of cold HBSS containing uniformly labeled glucose. Then add 600 microliters of 100% dry ice pre-cooled methanol to each well and transfer the plate to the dry ice. Use a cell scraper to detach the cells and then carefully transfer the extracts from each well into individual microcentrifuge tubes. Store cells at -80 degrees Celsius until mass spectrometry analysis. For metabolite extraction of sorted cells, culture cells in a 100 ml